Happy Friday and welcome to Torah Today with me, with Chavi Rappaport. And our Torah is so relevant today as it was yesterday and tomorrow and every week. We share beautiful insights, guidance from the Torah that are so practical to lead wonderful lives. Parshat Shoftim this week, the Torah tells us, when you go out to war and besiege a city outside of the Holy Land, you may not cut down its fruit trees. And why not? Simply because everyone can enjoy the fruits. Don't cut down the trees. And the Torah continues with a question. Ki ha'adam etz hasadeh? Is this tree like a man who will challenge you in this besieged city that you should punish it? Cut down its fruit? Of course not. But the Torah here is sharing a truth, a phenomenal statement. Ki ha'adam etz hasadeh. Don't tamper with those fruit trees. Man is compared to a tree. A tree grows and produces, and man is expected to grow, develop, and produce. And what's the greatest measurement of our growth? It's in our emotions. Think of a child. At the slightest provocation, goes off in a tirade. I don't want the green lolly. I want the red one. I'm not wearing those shoes. This food is awful. You're the meanest mom, right? The brain just isn't fully grown. Our intellect is meant to train, to develop our emotions. Our brain, on the other hand, easily gravitates from one conclusion to another. Our emotions deeply rooted in the soul. Think for a minute. What did we inherit from our forefathers? Is it their intelligence? Of course, they were very, very wise men. But no, it's their lofty emotions. Avraham, kindness. Yitzchak, severity, discipline. And Yaakov, mercy. Let's take a look at two special characteristics of a tree. Not like a fish who can move easily from one body of water to another and yet survive. The tree is firmly entrenched in the ground, connected to its source of life, the earth. And that's why it can weather any storm. And two, what exhibits the greatest measurement of growth? A tree that's not barren, that's not just standing majestic, state-like, but not contributing anything to anyone, but a fruit tree. A fruit tree gives nourishment. It shares its fruit. Intelligence can be granted to anyone. But what is the marker of real growth, real inner work? That's refined emotions. And so the Torah is imparting two very vital lessons to us. One, be like a tree, firmly planted, rooted, connected to our source of life. Of course, the Torah. Because then you will be anchored. You will be able to weather any storm, any season. Season of harvest in the fall. Scarcity in the winter. Plenty and growth in the spring and summer. You will be able to withstand it all, holding on so strongly to the Torah that will guide you, sustain you. And two, gravitate to people who are full of inspiration, like the fruit tree, who share their fruit and nourishment and gifts with the rest of the world. And better yet, you be that inspiration. Today, ask yourself, how am I sharing of myself with someone else? My gifts and nourishing the world. It might be something small, like a little smile. And let's bless each other that the fruits we share bear fruits, more and more and more fruits. And let me bless you with a fruitful day and Shabbat Shalom.